All right, we are at the Clarion Pointe Hotel. It's a renovation converting from a roadway inn to a Clarion Pointe. And we've installed a command server with these Philips 55-inch TVs. The TV will power up to a little slideshow with a welcome message from the management here. And anytime that the guest is ready, they'll press OK on the remote control and go to the landing page. And the landing page is set up so that if somebody were to arrow up and arrow to weather, they'll see what the weather's like in Winnemucca. They can scroll through, see what it's going to be like for the next couple of days. They can actually go through here and set an alarm, which we're not going to do right now. But you can tell the TV what time to turn on to, what channel, what the sound's going to be, and what the volume's going to be. Outside of that, we've set up this landing page so that we've got the logo. It's a little bit color coordinated with the logo. I shouldn't say a little bit, the colors are accurate. We've got all the TV channels, or if we come down over to the right here, you can go directly to either casting or you can go to the HDMI input. If we go below TV channels, we've got this segmented by theme. So you've got all your local channels. You've got for right now, we've got the channel guide scrolling from DirecTV on each line of these, but we are going to install an interactive channel guide module so people can actually see what they're looking for and tune directly to the channel. Everything is segmented out. So in this case, this is movies. We've got the news channels all on one line. We've got sports, lifestyle, variety. Variety is actually a pretty large category here. Everything is segmented by logo. And below that, you're going to notice that we can tune directly to the channel. Like this FX is on 48. Broken out by children and by Latino channels or Spanish-speaking channels. Somebody can either hit channel 48 or they can tune directly to, in this case, FX on channel 48. If they go back, they can actually get to the menu again. I say that, easier said than done, I guess. If I hit the home button, it'll take me directly there. We can go down to casting and it'll actually connect this phone only specifically to this television. If I go to apps, we've got a sincere amount of apps loaded here, and you can actually connect right to any app that you'd like to stream to. Watch I don't want to say first run movies, but you can watch first run movies if you're willing to pay for them, or you can watch free movies or TV series. So you've got pretty much any streaming app that you'd like to have. Anyhow, that's it. This is at the Choice Pointe Hotel, Winnemucca, Nevada. And this is standard for the Philips televisions. You've got casting, streaming, Pro Idiom encrypted television. This particular delivery system is being done by IPTV. And so we've got Ethernet connected to the television. And we've got a PMS system that bridges the front desk to the television so that when the guest gets to the room, they're checked in, their name is on the television, and they will stay logged into whatever app until the checkout date.